Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you are doing great. So today I'm back to share with you this beautiful granny diamond, solid granny diamond. It's very easy and very pretty pattern to make for any given project, whether blocks or in one piece. So it is a repetition of one row throughout the work, and we're gonna start making it together right away. So I'm using medium worsted yarn, the usual, I'm using medium worsted yarn and 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. We'll start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 2 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, and I'm gonna add 2 trebles. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the chain, pull through 2, pull through 2, and repeat. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the 4th chain, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. So I've got 3 double crochet and 2 trebles. Chain 2, repeat 2 trebles. Oops. Three double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, two trebles, this is 1, 2, okay, chain 2, 2 trebles again, and 3 double crochet. Chain 2, join to the top of the initial chain 3 or 4. So this is the first row of diamond, solid diamond. So we start with the 3 double crochet, 2 trebles, chain 2, 2 trebles, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, 2 trebles, chain 2, 2 trebles, 3 double crochet, chain 2, join. On to the next row. I'm gonna chain 3, 1 double crochet in every stitch. Now onto the big space where the trebles are, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, 2 trebles, chain 2, 2 trebles, 1 double crochet. So 1 double crochet, 2 trebles, chain 2, two trebles, one double crochet, all in the chain 2 space. Then I'll follow with one double crochet in every stitch. Now in the chain 2 space between the double crochet, I'm gonna make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Sorry. So in the chain 2 space between the double crochet, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. And then again 1 double crochet in every stitch. And again in the side corner 1 double crochet, 2 trebles, two trebles again, and 1 double crochet, all in the chain 2 space. 1 double crochet in every stitch. And in the last corner the double crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. And join to the top initial chain 3. And this is how you make the solid granny diamond. It's an easy pattern. You just need to be patient if you're learning for the first time, and then you'll get addicted to it. It's very pretty with different colors and the shape is really nice, and it's also very easy. It's just repetition of one row throughout the work, no matter how big you want your diamond to be. I hope the tutorial was clear and easy to follow. If you have any questions, as always, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. And until next time, take care, bye bye.